What's up guys, in this video I'll show you how to recover deleted Instagram stories. So the first thing you have to do is go to your phone and launch Instagram. So just to show you, I have this story uploaded, so I'll just delete this just to show you. Delete, and now my story has been deleted. So if I wanted to recover this deleted story, what I have to do is go to the bottom right hand corner and touch the profile icon. Once your profile page is loaded, go to the top right hand corner and select the 3-line menu, or those 3 lines on the top right hand corner. From here, select your activity. And now just scroll down a bit and it says recently deleted. So select recently deleted. From here, you can see all the story, reels, post, everything that you have deleted in the last 30 days. So if I wanted to recover or to restore the deleted Instagram story, I'll open it, and on the at the bottom right hand corner there is these 3 dots that says more, so select that, and from here just select restore and restore, and it will actually restore the story. If I go to my profile and refresh it, you can see the story is back on my profile. So this is how you recover deleted Instagram stories. Thanks for watching. See you next time.